You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can laugh, crack jokes, be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a new wig from Luvwin hair. I'm showing you guys the goodies that they sent over in the packaging. So this wig is so pretty, you guys. When I took it out of the package, I was so impressed. This is the popular highlight brown lace front body wave wig. It has a 13x4 HD frontal and it's in 20 inches. I'm showing you guys the construction of the cap. The cap has an adjustable band and then it has a clip in the back, and it also has two clips on the side, and then in the back it is wefted hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my wig cap, and then I'm gonna try on the wig to see what it looks like. I'm just trying it on like I usually do, just to see what it looks like. I'm brushing all of the hair out of the way, and then I am just going to kind of measure where my ears are and cut my ear tabs off. Okay, now I'm gonna tint my lace. I'm using an even lace tinting spray so it can match my skin tone better. And then I'm going to cut off the lace in a zigzag motion, cutting it very close to the hairline. All right, now we're going to put the wig back on. I would put it on with my elastic band. And yeah, if you guys want to, this is technically a glueless wig, so you can wear it without glue. It has, like I said, the HD lace, and it did come pre-plucked and with bleached knots. So if you did want to wear it straight out the package, you definitely can. So I am doing a side part, so I'm kind of doing like, what do you call it, a C part, a C side part. And I'm just brushing the hair out of the way, just making sure I have everything where I want it to be. And then I'm going to clip the hair back and use my even lace spray to lay the hair down. Alright, so while my lace is melting, I'm going to apply my elastic band. I'm going to be going in with my hot comb and making that front of my hair as flat as possible. That is a key when you're wearing wigs. You don't want your wigs to be looking all bulky and big. You want it to be nice and flat so that you're not looking crazy. So I parting it off in sections in the front using my wax stick and then going over it with my hot comb. I am going to be cutting just a few layers in the front, just framing my face like I always do. Alright, now we are going to pull out the baby hairs. I do a sideburn on both sides, and then I do My little baby hair is like right above my eyebrows. These are my, if you want to call them, signature baby hairs. They're very beginner friendly. I just pull them out, try to make them as thin as possible because I don't want them to be too thick. So I'm also going in with my tweezers to tweeze out a little bit of hair so it can look, you know, nice and thin and not too bulky. And then I'm also combing the hair back so that it's not too bulky. I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to use my flat iron to kind of flip it up, and then I'm using my Nairobi mousse, and then I'm going to swoop the baby hairs in place. Okay, now I'm adding my secret weapon, which is my spritz. Y'all, I'm telling you, you gotta try the spritz. It really makes your lace melt into your skin. So I'm spraying that, making sure that is nice and dry, and then I'm going to add the elastic band again. And now we are going to curl the hair. I'm using my flat iron to curl the hair, and I'm just splitting it in half, and then on both sides I'm curling the hair going to the back. I want to have like the effortless body wave bombshell kind of curls, and I think I definitely achieved it. This hair curls really nicely, by the way. My hair stayed curled all day long, and this color is just freaking perfection. They did their thing with the highlighting. It's just so pretty. Like in person, I was getting compliments. It's just a really pretty unit. Okay, so my hair is all curled, and I did my makeup, and like right here I forgot that I need earrings, so I went and got some earrings, and then I'm going to go ahead and kind of brush the curls out because I don't want it to be like too curly. I do want it to have like that body wave look. So y'all, this is the finished look. Super easy to install. Like I said, this highlight wig is freaking perfection. The hair is so soft, and one thing that I noticed, and this wig has amazing lace. It has HD lace. The lace is very soft and thin, so you guys will see. I'm gonna do a close-up. You will see how nicely the lace looks. It looked very realistic, very natural. Like even if you all up on me, you won't be able to tell that it's a wig too much. So yeah, I love that about this wig. I was in love with it. This is 20 inches, and I'm just pulling it down, so I'm showing you guys how long the wig is on me. Like I said, you can definitely wear this wig glueless if you like, especially in the hot summer months. It already came pre-plucked and bleached, but of course I did the extra. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this wig from Luvwin Hair, the lace, like I said, is impeccable. The hair is super soft, and the color is amazing. Perfection. Looks so good on my skin tone. I have all the links down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't stop on the train.